someone is going to need your help. This person is reminiscing on a time when they had access to you. There may have been some type of separation between the two of you, or they're reminiscing about the time that they spent with you. Those times meant a lot, and they didn't appreciate those times. There was a tower moment in this actual connection, and this person is grappling with fear that this actual situation is over. For some of you, this individual is going through major tower moments at the moment, but they're proud. They don't want to reach out. There could be something catastrophic occurring in their life and they are lacking support, but they are remaining stoic. They don't want to reach out. And for some of you, they can't reach out because they've been blocked. For others of you, this person is extremely proud because they're not where they used to be financially or in their career. So they're living a lie, but they actually do need your help. They could be going through a dark night of the soul, and this could be a family member for some of you. This person is trying to banish the healing that needs to be done. And because they're in that energy, they're actually stagnating their growth. They're focused more on the 3D when what they actually need to focus on is internally. But this person, they won't reach out to you. They'll hold it all in and act as if whatever they're going through will go away. But they're going through a lot of heartbreak and pain. And they feel like there's no way out, there's no escape, but they want a new beginning. They want you to reach out because life is quite chaotic. And I also feel for some of you, since this person and yourself discontinued this connection, they feel like they're lacking direction. You gave them a sense of peace. You generally cared about this individual. They never felt so connected to someone. They never felt like the level of compassion that you had on offer was something they would miss and yearn for. But this person took you for granted, and they feel like you're in the Queen of Swords energy, and they don't really resonate with this type of energy that you're in because they're used to you being open, empathetic, kind, caring, charitable, playful. But their worst fears have become a reality. You've transformed to this individual. So this person feels quite proud because for some of you, they know that to come back in, they will have to apologize. They will have to apologize for what they did, whatever that was. And they know that you were a good friend. They know that you were a good sibling. And they feel traumatized about the past. And spirit or God, whoever they believe in, is trying to connect with them to put this wrong into a right. But they're proud. But yeah, this person, they want your help. Maybe for some of you, they want your help to get them out of some type of tumultuous relationship. They may want your help because they feel stuck mentally and they need someone to help them with some type of burdens that they're going through. They feel like life is overwhelming. They may need your help for money. They may also need your help in regards to rewriting something that went wrong in regards to some type of lie. It's like they want you to help them to rebrand themselves. I feel like for some of you, this person is struggling financially and they may need some type of loan, or they could be pretending that everything is fine when it's not. Some secret has come out about the family for some of you, and you may have found out about this person. You may have found out that this individual has been sneaking behind the scenes in regards to gaining some type of assets or money. For some of you, this person, they may have snaked you in favor of their career, in favor of money. So they may have got some type of success, but they're not happy. And they miss your warmth, they miss your comfort, they miss your vibe, they miss your jokes, they miss your conversation. So they got what they wanted if it was a situation of them taking some money from you, blocking you, or something of that sort for success, but they feel alone. For some of you, this person may have stolen your ideas, music, some type of creativity. Could have been a family member. Try to profit off your talent, but I'm hearing it backfired. And I feel like this person may need your help because they can't gain any new ideas. So it's quite selfish if you resonate with that. They may only want to be around you to steal from you some more. This person may also need your help because it could be a mother. They're feeling regretful. They're feeling a sense of shame that they weren't there to guide you, to help you to become the person that you are right now. They see that you are successful and doing well, and they know they had nothing to do with your success at all. And maybe they're going through some type of trials and tribulation, and maybe at a stage or this stage in their life, they're wanting to build some type of bond with you, or there's a bond here that was broken due to someone getting married or in a relationship with someone that turned out to break their heart. And they may have sabotaged a friendship, a close bond with two other people for this person. They chose this person over you, and their life is going downhill, whilst your life is going on the up. So you weren't the issue here. And Spirit is saying they made their choice. As harsh as that may sound, they made their choice, because at the time when they made their choice, they were sitting pretty. They were focused on what they could attain in the 3D, how they looked to the public. They wasn't caring about your thoughts and your emotions. And now that they're going through these very heavy tower moments, all of a sudden they remember your name.